Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer funds between bank accounts. So for this, first of all, open your banking app and log in with your account. So here, once you're logged in with your account, you will be directed to the main page here. So from here, you will find the transfers option. If you don't find it, so first of all, navigate to menu and there you have transfers option. Click on it. So from here, click on new transfer and choose the way you want to send money. Like I want to use account number here, so I will go with account number, or you can send it with CNIC. Now choose the bank in which you want to send. So I will go with other banks here and just choose the bank. Type the name of the bank and now enter the account number or IBN number here. Once you enter the number, then enter the amount and then click on continue. So in this way, you can transfer funds between bank accounts. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.